Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best movie apps for iPhone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to find the best apps for your iPhone to watch movies. So the first one is going to be Bflix. So Bflix is a very popular app and it's very good to watch movies in it. So yeah, you can just directly download it and start enjoying movies in it. And then we got MovieBox, another famous app for watching movies and everything. So you just simply need to download this app and you can just watch a lot of movies in it. Now another one is Plex. So just simply download Plex, and here as you can see I already had it once. So yeah, you just need to download Plex and it's pretty good and you can watch a lot of movies in it. Now after that we got Wiki. So Viki is also a good movie watching platform. You can watch a lot of movies in it, a lot of genres, and pretty good movies. So yeah, and then we got Just Watch. It's also a good platform to watch movies in it, and you can watch a lot of movies in it, and it's pretty good as well. Just simply download this app and you can just stream movies directly in it. And last but not least, we got Filmbox. So you just need to download Filmbox Plus, and here over here as you can see it has pretty good movies in it and you can just watch a lot of movies in it. And yeah, you just need to download it. And yeah, these were some best apps for iPhone to watch movies. So yeah, I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.